Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to make a super easy meal for lunch. Okay. I made some refried beans, and I'll link the recipe and all the ingredients and everything to this video. But I'm just going to make a simple bean Mexican pizza, guys. Plain, easy. Okay. I'm using just a flour tortilla. This does happen to be, let me turn it around so you can read it, a low carb tortilla. You can use a regular tortilla, you can use a corn tortilla, whatever you like. Use what you have. This is what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to get, that's probably about a quarter cup, or probably more like a third a cup of beans. I'm not going to put it on here super thick because we are going to bake this. You think that's enough beans, guys? How about we go just a little bit more beans? There we go. So somewhere between a third and a half, depending on how many beans you want on yours. Okay. Now folks, what I'm going to do with this, you could put cheese on it right now and bake as you bake it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to bake it for about 5 minutes on about 400 to crisp this tortilla up. Then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put some salsa and my cheese on there. I just took this out of the oven, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of salsa on there. A little bit more than what I thought, but that's all that's left in the jar. So guys, 3 or 4 tablespoons. Just use what you like. Spread it out. And guys, you could use fresh jalapeno sliced. You could use a jar of pickled jalapenos. But guys, this is cowboy candy. It's a sweet pickled jalapeno that we have really enjoyed the dickens out of. They're so good. Put that on there. Guys, if you can't tell, I really like this. And I have a Fiesta blend cheese. You can use a Mexican cheese, a Mexican blend, cheddar, just whatever cheese you like. I mean, it's your pizza, it's your lunch. I'm just showing you something fast, easy, and simple. And I'm going to put this back in the oven for just long enough to start that cheese to melting. I wanted it in there to get extra crisp because I didn't want my tortilla to fall apart. Alrighty, I'm going to take my little pizza out. Put it on my plate. Now folks, do not cut this on a silicone mat. These things are fantastic, they last forever, but take it from me, and I know from experience, if you cut pizza on these, you'll cut your mat. Just saying. So, learn from my mistake, don't do it. Now folks, at this point, if you wanted to, you could put lettuce, tomato, sour cream, avocado, guacamole, pico, anything that you would want on there. But this is good enough for me. This is what I'm in the mood for, so it's what I made. But I just wanted to show you how simple it was just to make a little Mexican bean pizza from refried beans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.